Welcome to How to Dyno. Today I will show you how to use auto message. Visit the Dyno bot dashboard and click on the Login with Discord button. Click on the Manage Servers button and select the server you would like to manage. Next, click on the Modules tab and find the Auto Message module. Auto Message will automatically post a message to a channel on a set interval. Click on the drop-down menu to set a channel to send automated messages. Then, enter the message interval. This interval must be between an hour and 3 days. Nothing less or more will be permitted with Dyno Regular. Finally, enter the message you'd like Dyno to send periodically and click on the Add button. Please make sure the module is enabled. To remove an auto message, simply click on the Remove button. You can also edit auto messages if you're not satisfied. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.